To subscribe our channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button to get the latest video notifications.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this Realme motion activated night light. So this is how the packing comes, and you will get it around $5.99 on either of the website like Amazon, Flipkart or the Realme. I will drop the link in the description below. So let's unbox this and see what's inside the box. So packaging is really nice, as you can see. Let's see what's written here. Okay, so it's made in China and price is $9.99, but you will get it around $5.99 as I said before. So let's unbox this. So a good thing is that you will get the battery inside the box, which is not present in the MI sensor light. So this is good. And let's see what else we have. So that's it. Some documentation you can see. And this is the light. So let's see. I really like the packing, it's quite good. So this is how it looks, and this is basically a stick-on. You can stick it on your wall or any wooden place, and then this has a magnet which will be tied like this. So let's keep it aside, and here it is written. You can unlock and lock like this. Yep, this is how it is. So as you can see, it uses basically 3 batteries, and there is an option. It is for the less light, or do you want more light? So this is how it works. And so let's start this. So this is how it glows. Let me turn off the light. It's pretty nice, right? So let me tell you how it works. So it basically works in dark. As you can see, there is light, so it is not glowing up. So it works in dark, it senses the motion, and I think the angle is 120 degree. So whatever comes in this angle with this light, so it turns up. And it will turn on for approx 15 seconds and then it turn it off automatically. And if you stay in the angle, then it will be turned on for a while unless you move out from that place. So this is how it works. So this is the magnet. So this is a great option if you need this in your wardrobe, and maybe you can use it in your washrooms and bathrooms. So it works pretty nice, and this also can be used in the staircase. So yeah, so that's it about the Realme motion sensor light. So if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment and I will try to answer those. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.